lost and losing power. Is this the end for drone? Is drone lost forever? Not a chance. Super Agent Tracy Cox is on the job. She can find the drone and bring it back.
Tracy, I'll be back to get you later, TC.
I'm just gonna sit down here and rest a minute.
To put Tracy Cox on your team, or to have a look at this beautiful river home, contact the Ozarks Team. Enjoy the Ozarks.com or search for the Ozarks Team on Google or Facebook. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.